In this video, I'm going to show you how you can always upload high quality media files on your Threads app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you always want to upload highest quality media such as photos and videos, then you can turn on this feature on your Threads app. To do that, open your Threads app and then go to your profile icon down below. From here, tap on these two lines and under this, go to more settings. Now under more settings, look for the first option, media, and here we have this option, upload highest quality. Currently it is disabled. To enable it, just toggle on, enable this. Once this is turned on, you'll be able to upload the best media even if it takes longer. You're told when this is off, we'll adjust the quality based on network condition. So this will ensure that you always upload highest quality media on your Threads account. So that's how you can turn on upload highest quality media on your Threads account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.